Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to simplify one expression 2 to the power minus 1, that is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 to the power 12. So we can solve this value of 2 to the power minus 1 to the power 12 in a different way, but we are taking one of them. So let's start. For this, let x is equal to root 2 minus 1. So we are going to move this one to the left hand side. Then we get x plus 1 is equal to root 2. Now we are going to square both sides. X plus 1 square is equal to root 2 square. So we get x square plus 2x1 plus 1 square, and here this root, square root and square will be cancelled out. We get only 2. If we move this one to the right hand side, we get x square plus 2x is equal to 2 minus 1. Then we can write x square plus 2x is equal to 1. Now if we move this 2x to the right hand side, we get x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we got the value of x square here like a x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we put as an equation 1. Now from equation 1 we get x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. And we can write that 12 equals to 3 dot 2 dot, that is multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We can express that 12 as, so we can write 2 to the power square root 2 minus 1 2 to the power 12 is equal to x to the power 12. Now we are breaking that 2 to the 12 x to the power 3 dot 2 dot 2. So now we can write that 3 2 plus 1, and now for considering we taking that 2 and 2 is equal to 4. In future we will break again 2 dot 2. So now we can write that x square into x to the power 4, and this x square we can write here that 1 minus 2x. I have just replaced that 1 minus 2x into x, and 4 can be expressed as 2 dot 2. So we can write that x minus 2 x square to the power square into 2. Now if we take this, we get x square minus 2, now we know the value of x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. We are going to replace here that value of x square, that is 1 minus 2x 2 dot 2. Now we get the value x minus 2 plus 4x to the power 2 dot 2. So here we get 5x minus 2 to the power 2 dot 2. So now we can write this 5x minus 2 square. We know a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. We have implied the same here. So if we break this, we get 5x square minus 2 5x into 2 plus 2 square to the power square. So we can write like here 25 square minus 20x plus 4. Now we know that 25x x square means 1 minus 2x. As we know here x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we are putting the same value again here. So now we got 20x plus 4. We have missed that square. Now that will be 25 minus 50x minus 20x plus 4. Now we get, if we simplify, 29 minus 70x square. Now if we put this as 29 square minus 2 into 29 into 70x plus 70x square. Now we are moving here like this. If we move, we get 29 square minus 4060x plus 4900x square. We got from here value of 29 square is equal to 841 plus minus 4060x plus 4900 1 minus 2x, that is equals to 841 minus 4060x plus 4900 minus 9800x. Now we get 841 plus, we move this 4900 here, 4900 minus 4060x minus 49800x. Now we get here 5741 minus 13860x. Now we already let that x is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now we are going to put this one, that 13860 root 2 minus 1. Then we get 5741 minus 13860 root 2 plus 13860. Now if we add these two one, we get 19601 minus 13860 root 2. If we put the value of 19 root 2, then we get from the expression like 19600.9999745 ... If we subtract this value from this value, we get like 0.00255089026 ... nearly about 0. So if we simplify that value, root 2 minus 1 to the power 2 nearly about 0. So I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day and take care. Bye.